Good morning, blessed and pleasant Jamaican morning to you all wherever you are. I hope it finds you in the best of health, and I hope you're having breakfast. Maybe some of you all have breakfast. We're just having breakfast. you all would say we slept in. Well, we wake up late. You know, normally on a Sunday morning, you want to chill out a little more in your bed. So good morning. Good morning to the Paris then.
Good morning.
Now, if you're new to my channel, which is the Jamaican Debbie Stream, welcome. Come on right in. Come have breakfast with us. That's how we do it sometimes over here. So, this morning, you want to show them where we have camera, girl?
So, this morning, this is just a
saltfish.
Alright, so this is saltfish fritters.
Carry it up to the camera. Let me see. There we go.
And then we have kalaloo. And then we have like some slices of bread with butter.
Hard bread. So, what I must say, if I told them I'm going to eat that, what do you mean? That's nothing. You don't know, let us say a grace. Thank you, Lord, for another day, another Sunday morning. Thank you for your providence. Thank you for everything. And as we go forward now to eat and to nourish our bodies, we hope that you will just help us to take it easy and to go through. Once more we say thank you. Through faith in your name. Amen. Hello. I hope, what are you all having? This is for you. This let me have for you. This is hers, y'all. Because she don't eat the end of the bread. So I've got to do it like this. Yeah? And we have kalaloo. We're there far from the camera. Jamaican kalaloo. Nicely steamed. You've eaten some kalaloo in the camera, girl. We don't put any saltfish or anything in there, you see? We like our kalaloo just plain. That is how I like my kalaloo. Pass the fritters in. And we have a good old Jamaican saltfish fritters, crispy and nice. And the video for this is way up at the beginning of the West Indian Delights channel. We can leave the link?
Yeah.
Yes, we're going to leave the link in the description. Go check it out. Okay, y'all. Nice, crispy saltfish fritters. We're going to see y'all make this at home. Here. Hi. Hello. Know me now. Look here. I have bread. And I'm having tea. Let me get this out the way. I'm having good old soursop tea, yeah? With some milk in there. Yeah, man. What you having for tea? She's just having plain warm milk. I will have a thing with water. Because kalaloo and fritters make you drink enough water. And I remember I told you, you're not to have your tea hot, eh? If you're new over here, I know she's a little prim and proper. Who been on the Debbie strain, I know she's prim and proper. So if you want to get the right article yardy eating, you gotta focus on me, okay? So, how was your week? How was your week so far? Nice kalaloo. You must always choose young kalaloo. Put a lot of garlic. If you want to get a successful eating kalaloo, choose young kalaloo and steam your kalaloo with lots of garlic. Nice and garlicky. Camera girl, like the kalaloo? Yeah. Are you there? I play up with it. Barry, me now watch her, at the end of the video, please to comment and tell me if camera girl been eating. Because you know me, vanilla food, that food me eat. Please to comment if you know say she eating anything. You like the fritters best, eh?
Yeah.
So you're not going to buy them. You don't need to set up, you don't tell them something. Ask them what.
Yeah, so how was your weekend? Yeah, weekend cause today's Sunday. How was your weekend? How was your weekend?
How is your weekend? 5 weekend I done it.
Oh, yeah.
And how was their week, the week past week, and how is your weekend so far? I'm gonna say weekend I done till tonight. Talk to them and them love you, you know. You know that because they've been asking for you in the comments. And they're saying you must come and introduce yourself. Tell them if you plan to do that. Tell them what you plan to do on the channel. Meanwhile,
I'll introduce myself. I'm going to introduce myself one of these days to tell you guys like things that I like, what I dislike, what I'm good at, what I'm not good at. Those type of little things. Also, I'm going to try my best to see if I can do like a few little videos by myself and put it up on this channel. So once like I get the time and those things, because you know school and homework and all those things, so I have to be balancing between that and this. So once I get the time, you guys will be able to see it. But I'll be doing the introduction video very soon. Maybe I do it one of those days next week, and you guys will see it up by then.
Come on, tell them because they've been asking the people want to see you. Remember, there are people, they have families, and they have children in your age group. They want to interact with you. So tell them, you tell them. I don't know what. And you say, I suppose I means I'm cooking me the pan, you know. Make them know, give them an idea like they plan to do like some little hair tutorial. And she do a makeup something. I don't know what they mean, well, she a wait for it till her food finish. She not do that. She tell her to prim and papa, I don't know that.
Yeah, I don't like eating food.
Me know that, man. Me know.
Alright, so what I'm mostly good at is like makeup and those things. I am going to try to show you at least like a few tutorials or like some like simple things that you have. I don't have like all of those, you know, big expensive brands out there. I have just simple things because I'm not like really the best at it, but I can do a little thing just like, you know, wear or something like that. I don't wear makeup all the time. I wear it occasionally or when I feel to. I like makeup, but I'm not a person who wears it all the time because I just don't like that. But I do it occasionally, as I said, and I'll show you guys. Hair tutorials I will try because I'm not really sure as yet. I'm transitioning from relaxed hair to back to my natural hair, so it's kind of hard to like work with. Mostly what I do is I cane room my hair or get someone to do it for me because I can't cane room. So, or other than that, I just like brush my hair back, put in like, you know, products out and then go to school. That's if I don't have anyone to do my hair for me. But other than that, someone is always there to like, you know, cane my hair styles and stuff. But I can't really do much styles with my hair. If my hair was relaxed again, then yes, I could have done styles, but not now really because my hair is going back natural, so it's very hard to work with.
Yeah, sorry. Them love that. Them want to hear from them. Nice fritter. Yeah, bite your color long brain, bite your fritter, then you sip your sour sap tea. And remember, comment below if you want to see us doing any mukbang. Right, we're planning, but we don't know if you're interested. So if you are interested, please let us know. Yeah? Remember to thumbs up the videos. And remember that we're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers and 400 watch time hours on the Debbie Debs train, which it is not difficult. We are putting in some work to try. Share the videos, remember to share them and to like. Remember to thumbs up and like at the same thing, don't? I have some phone. Yeah. Thumbs them up. Okay. Yeah. Thumbs 9. Later inside. I'm sorry if you're hearing anything. It's the fan. Remember I told you my dining room is small and it's always heated in here. And the sun is coming up outside. So what are you having for breakfast? What are you all having for breakfast? Send me some now, man. If you follow me on Instagram, send me some now. And if you not send me some, I'm sorry. Today you can't send me another day of breakfast gone. So we are going to finish up and eat now, because we are going to go to cook for dinner. And maybe, just maybe, we'll come back and have dinner with you. We're going to try it. Because we have got to cut off early today. Because tonight is, tell me.
Well, tonight is one thing for her, but it's two things for me. Tonight is the WWE Royal Rumble. Hold on.
Royal Rumble, I'm sorry. We have WWE Network live in Jamaica. So yes, sister, we not all that done in the earth, all them are going with me. So we not like that, you know. So things are step up.
We're wrestling fans, so we have a WWE Network and we always catch up with all, like, you know, latest events and all those things. So we have the
live pay-per-views
and Raw, SmackDown, all those things. Also, tonight is the Grammys. I'm going to be watching that because I watch Grammys, AMAs, VMAs, all those things. So tonight is the Grammys. So I have to be working between the Grammys and watching wrestling. So it depends. But I'm going to try my best to watch both of them because both of them are going to be on TV. But we have two, so one's going to be in the living room, one's in one bedroom. So I have to.
Are y'all wrestling fans in here, y'all out there? So we're not gonna stay with it the whole time, one thing I'm going to follow the and take a come on in Africa, I mean, I want to see me a bit, I'm not saying like Debbie man. Come. We're going to finish our breakfast, and those of you who have been following us for the past weeks or full time, remember once on the vlog when we set the morning, we're going to finish eating breakfast here. And we're going to add on that little clip to the breakfast eating. We're going to disclose what the noni looks like after 3 weeks. Remember we told you 3 weeks. And I think we set the noni on the 7th. For those of you who have watched that vlog, if you have never, I'm sorry, watched that vlog, we're going to leave the link to that vlog in the description so you see what the noni, when we were setting it, what it looks like. So now after this now, we're not going to end this video here. We're going to finish eating and then we're going to go and reveal what the noni looks like after 3 weeks. Eh? So now family, we finish eating, we look at breakfast, and of course, you know, we're going to look relaxing and we are start prepare for dinner. So as I told you before, on the 7th, the video on the 7th, which is 3 Sundays prior to now, when we set the noni. Not sure if you had watched that video, but if not, we're going to leave the link in the description, and we're going to insert some pictures of the noni, how they looked before we set them. Now we're going to open this, but I might say to you, if you have like a problem with things that looks gross, you might want to click off right here on this video because it is looking gross. It looks gross, I must warn you. And when I say gross, I don't mean like, you know, just have this ugly look. So we're going in there. So I'm going to show you what it looks like and see the amount of liquid that we get from it. It was closely covered. Are you ready for this, y'all? This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And the liquid is there. And this wine-like, you know, sort of wine-like flavor coming from it. So I'm gonna try to get off the liquid. I don't want it to. So this is what the liquid looks like. This is what, whoops, I didn't want that to happen. Oops, I'm gonna get my hands washed. This is how it's been, this is fermented. This is what it is now. And I'm gonna get my hands washed. It has a strong smell. I don't know. I don't know. And we can probably leave this again for at least another week. Maybe after, maybe not much is left in that. I might just throw this now. So this is what, it's like wine. To me, it's like, because the amount of fruits, when you watch back the video, if you have watched it, you remember we're all up to here. So this is strong liquid. This liquid is strong. It wasn't set with water, it wasn't diluted. And for so many of them to ferment and come down to this. And this is only what you get out of it. This is mighty strong. So now, first and foremost, I would advise you, this is a straining from it. This is what we have. And this is what it looks like if you have ever seen it. When you see it in those, like, what do you call those stores again, camera girl? Health food stores. This is what, so you know, it's for you to get a bottle of this size, it would take an awful lot. And I guess it's expensive. I think so. No, I would not suggest you drinking this if you're taking any form of medication. You'd want to ask your doctor first. And I'm going to show you how I do mine. I'm going to show you how I do mine. Do not drink this. I would not suggest unless you're so advised by your doctor, whereas if you're on medication. So this is how I drink mine. I would throw that, and then I'm gonna use some water from the top, and I'm gonna dilute it right up to about here. So now when it comes to like about here, it looks now like the immunizer that they're selling in the bottles. So I think this is, it's lighter, this is more diluted. Come on girl, you're going to drink any? You want to drink some? So this is how I would drink mine. Remember, this is really strong, you know. So I put that on like about 2 times the amount of water. And I'm going to drink, and I'm going to tell you. Because I've done it, but I don't do it often. Because the acidity of it is really strong. That's why I diluted mine. I was told by someone long ago, this is how I'm to drink it. Don't drink it with this strength. I would drink it with this. I used to drink it, but just like a small amount. But they said no. Dilute it with 2 times the amount of water. That's how you drink it. And me eat my breakfast already, as you know. We just share breakfast with you. And they say I have to have it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and it did wonders for me. So I'm gonna drink now. It's not bitter. It has a strong smell. Some people would say nasty, but I like how it smells. But drinking it now, it has the taste of you know, when you water out your wine, it has a winey taste, but not strong. That is how it tastes when you do it like this. You don't want to drink it like this, you know. And remember, if you are on medication, I would not suggest you go drink it like this. Please to get some advice from your doctor. Now I drink it from time to time, like I drink it on and off. So I do this now and drink it like a few mornings, like my husband and myself, and then for another 6 months or so we don't drink it again. But I can tell you, if you're going to do it for the very first time, please, to the very first time you drink it, you might want to stay at home. Might be a day when you're at home, because your metabolism, the first time I drank it, gave me some bowel movements. Because what it does, you know, it pulls out all those undigested food inside your intestine. So you might just have some undigested food in there, and it goes, and you know what happened? You're on a real, you know, flush out thing. So the very, if you're gonna have it for the very first time, if you buy it in the bottle, because it's sold all over, you all know, but I'm just showing you, this is how I do mine. So now, we're about to end. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about it. And we are gonna insert some pictures for those who have never seen, or we're still gonna leave the link in the description. So now that you have seen what it looks like after fermentation, I'm gonna insert some pictures to show you what it looks like after fermentation, before fermentation. So if you have liked this video from breakfast to now, give it a thumbs up. Remember, we're trying to reach 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours watch time. You want to might share this video, so continue to share, like. So once more, we appreciate your support. We thank you so much for coming right on over to the Debbie Debs train and supporting us. And remember, man, never let the evil around you take control of you. Stay up on top of things. And we're gonna go finish up dinner now, because we might just want to ask you to come right on in to have dinner with us.